Hello dear friends, myself Dr. Anshuman Kumar. You or any of your friend, relative has been diagnosed with cancer. You must be shocked, shattered, at least mentally and sometimes physically as well. In that condition, it's really puzzling, really disturbing to decide how to go, how to proceed further, whom to contact, where to go. First of all, if you are going to consult a doctor, you have biopsy report in hand, must take slides and blog for get it reviewed or secondly confirmed at the center where are you going. Consult a cancer surgeon. He will plan your further treatment. First, he will get the biopsy report reviewed. If you are consulting a cancer surgeon, must check his credential. In India, Government of India has decided a training protocol. MBBS the basic training for the doctor. After that, MSc is training for general surgeon, and MCH cancer surgery is training to become a cancer surgeon. Check their credential whether the cancer surgeon is MCH or not. If you consult a cancer surgeon, discuss everything logically and with trust. Try to build a trust between doctor and patient. That is actually doctor-patient relationship. You may search endless thing on the Google, but don't trust it completely. It may misguide you. Write down, note down your query, your questions, discuss with your oncologist with open-minded, without any pointing or blame game on the doctors. When you build a trust between yourself and doctor will answer all your query comfortably. Doctor may advise certain investigation to stage your disease and treatment. You have all the rights to discuss what kind of treatment, how I'm going to get benefited, what are the side effects. What you have to consider, the first and foremost aim after everything is over is cancer cure. If doctor is saying surgery is required to cure your cancer, first aim should be cure of the cancer. Second aim, to retain the function. For example, if you are going for oral cavity surgery, oral cancer surgery, function means you can speak out after surgery, you can swallow, you can take your food properly. And third aim should be cosmesis. How normal, close to the previous surgery picture you can be after surgery. That is the third aim. Don't put cosmesis as your first aim of cancer surgery. First aim of cancer surgery should be cancer cure. After that, there are many rehabilitation programs. Sometimes you may have some mental issues like depression, anxiety, outcome related issues. Must tell your doctor comfortably and consciously. There are psycho-counselors available with us. They can help you to get rid of the situation. Answer is what? If cancer has come a problem, remember every time, every lock has a key. If you have encountered a problem, definitely solution is there. Don't get worried, don't get panicked. You can be cured, you can get better, normal life as you were in the past. So relax, take decision comfortably with trust on your doctor. That is the whole message I want to convey. Thank you.